guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing Roblox again, and you guys are wondering, do I have Roblox now? I'm on a Boys and Girls Hangout. I almost said dance club. I played millions of times when I first started Roblox. Wait a second, didn't even press that. Whatever. Maybe I did. I am playing the newest update. And the biggest update, pretty much. So yeah, a lot of things have changed. So let's get right into it. And there's two secrets that I'll be showcasing. And also, I'll be playing this as normal. And you're like, how did you get the pets? I just joined the group, and as you can see here, I can have the effects now. I wish I could know your secrets, but I'm just gonna showcase my video. Come on, door, open. Oh, there. This is one of the secrets. And if you already know the secrets, leave a like right now, and you have to see the second secret, subscribe right now. And if you already have subscribed, then you already have, so you don't have to subscribe if you already have, but it's better if you didn't, please. Well, I'm showcasing about like a couple secrets, pretty much, I just forgot one, so I might not do a lot, but secret number 2, there should be, yep. This is well, that's a door. This is a little place where you could just chill. And if you want to try out these secrets, you can leave the video and go back on. I swear there used to be a door here. Let me try the entrance that you usually would do. And also there's some creepy, I think cool. Yeah, there's some cool stuff. So, yeah. I think it's up here. Not really sure. No. Maybe it's up here. They might have removed it. Well, I guess that's all the secrets I will be showcasing for the video, because I guess there is no secret. I think they removed it because of the biggest update. So yeah, also there's some secrets in Hotel Elephant. I play like 2. If you haven't played Hotel Elephant, I might make a role play or showcase of it tomorrow or so. So those of you that don't know, like that are new, and yeah, you're probably like, get Roblox, the new people. Well, I'm not really that popular, but the new people that ever join my channel, will be pretty much like, get Roblox, every Roblox YouTuber has Roblox. Get Roblox right now. Well, I can't really do that because I don't really have you did that right. Diabetes. But I was here to try this, because with this, those of you that don't know and never played Roblox, you can actually jump really high. Or those of you that did this and that had this and didn't know what they did. I still don't know what the green ones do. Did they like heal you? Comment down below what they do. And also, yeah, I kind of made money, but not a lot, because, I'm not that very popular, but I did some shout-outs in my very last video. Well, my newest. Well, this is my newest video. But the video before this, I kind of did like, I can't remember. I gave some shout-outs, and so, yeah. And there's 2 more secrets. I forgot where one is, and one is just got deleted because of this newest update. So, Mr. Savage, I don't like you, Mr. Savage. His name is Mr. Savage. So I tend to want something to eat. Maybe some bubble gum. I love bubble gum. And for proof, yum. Da-na-na-na-na. I thought I should dip myself since I just did a like da-na-na-na-na. So let's just, oh, there we go. So let's get some glasses. Not like, glasses. Those of you that do have glasses, like you, Maria. I'm not saying you're a nerd. I'm just saying that the people that really like math and they have glasses on, it's okay. Okay, if you really like math and you have glasses, I'm really sorry. Actually, nerd shouldn't be a word, because that's a candy. All of a sudden, my hair falls out. No! Whoa! Oh my gosh! No, you can't see my eyes. They're too beautiful to be seen. They'll fade. I'm looking at my eyes and almost faded. Wait. That's fine, but... Ooh, I like this hat. Let's be talented. Well, actually, we could be a Valentine's Day angel. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's a good idea. Let's put some heart effects on. Let's be Cupid! Oh my gosh. I'll do Luna / Cupid. Oh, they don't let me say Cupid. Maybe it was the / Luna / Cupid. Did it work? Yay! I'm Cupid! I'm Cupid! Yay! It was the evil / Oh, I don't like this. But no, it's my goal to be today. I should get something to make me look more like Cupid. Oh yay! This, cause I could fly. Yeah, this is good. It's the / I don't know how that's like inappropriate or something, cause let's kind of like look at it and kind of like makes it so you can't see the inappropriate stuff. But I don't know how that was like inappropriate or like violent. Maybe they cross out violent. I have no idea. Oh, well that's a glitch you never knew, or whatever it is. So the main reason why this is called Boys and Girls Hangout is pretty much, not Mitch. I don't even know what that means. Oh yeah, it's that YouTuber Mitch. The boss of Hunger Games, or however that song is. because it pretty much has this. This is pretty much the hangout. Oh my god. Oh, I have a good idea. I'll bring 2 people together. I'll go ask the boy, do you have a crush, mister? And he would be like, yeah. And like, yeah. And I would be like, you came to the right person. And I would be like, well, I came to the right person. That'd be so funny. It would be, I saved, oh no. I'll ask her if she has a crush. Do you have a crush? Lola? Do you have a crush, Lola? Oh my gosh, this is probably so embarrassing to her. Do you have a crush, Lola? I think she does. No? Okay. I'll be like, okay. Then I'll start running and let's move to Josh. I just saw him leave. But he's not really gone, I don't think. Since I'm cupid, I'll just fly around with my hearts coming out of my bed outside. Look at. Okay, why is that surrounding by my butt? Okay, that's a little weird, but acceptable. No, really, it's not. I don't want this stick. Well, actually, press delete. Let's go find Josh. You're not Josh. Let's just ask. There you are, Josh. Josh, do you have a crush, Josh? I'm asked. Josh, do you have a crush? I don't even know where Josh went. Samantha. Maybe she's a good person to ask, but probably not. Did he reply? No. So many girls at me out. I think I found the right person to go to. So I got a block in my rary. That's what we're looking for. I barely even read that username. Like, no spaces. Like, it was terrible. I really need a bow and arrow. Wait, what if I try commands? So, KMDs. Did it work? Oh, it didn't work. Darn it. Darn it. That's embarrassing. Oh, I'll ask him if he has a crush. Do you have a crush? Do you have a crush? No, crush. Oh, I need this in Boys and Girls Dance Club. Oh, I really need a cheat. Oh, this is gonna be so sick if I had this in Boys and Girls Dance Club, because there's this glitch. Oh my gosh. I'll ask him if he has a crush. Because I'm cupid. I'm really good at this. Oh, maybe the guest will figure out that you can press roleplay name to, like, that's the guest's chat. The guest might try it, just so. Those of you that don't know any words, I'm sorry. Because some people are like, I hate that. They're stupid. They don't even know how to play. Why are they killing me when I'm innocent on prison life? Okay, you guessed is out there. I don't think they're stupid because Roblox doesn't. In servers, when you look at the guest's username, it says a friendly guest. Because they are friendly. They try to play the right way, but they don't. Because they don't know how to play Roblox. That's why they're guested. They can't get a username. That's why they're guested. Or maybe they got banned for 14 days and they had to be a guest. That could be true. That happened to us. We'll just take a selfie of my cupid little look. Oh, that looks like heart eyes. Maybe I could get the heart eyes. Oh my gosh. It's what? Like the chill face, you know what I mean. I wish I could just type in cupid and a free face would come up in there. Or it could just have the face chill in this because they tend to have her eyes. This, it's perfect. Or the kissy one. Oh, I like this better. Oh, that's so cute. Luna / Cupid. Oh my gosh, I actually am Cupid. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I'm kissing myself. But why? I think she has a crush. Oh, she's trying to be hot. Woo! I felt it first. Sucker! Woo! Oh, I think they have a little thing going on. Do you have a crush? Josh? Do you have a crush, Josh? Oh my. Toy. Do you have a crush, Josh? Let's see if he answers. Josh. Does she have the boyfriend? No offense, Samantha, if you're watching. Why? Why does she have the, like the boy version body? I'm not trying to be rude, but that's true. Since I'm a little lovebird, I'll say shoots lover love arrow. I think that's how you spell arrow. I'm not really sure. Shoots love arrow. I'll say but in a high-pitched voice. You know what I mean. Why am I putting random command-looking things? Oh no. Just like, I don't know. Oh my gosh, Cupid is out of this little love romance place. I'll just open a new place and grab some people. You know what I mean? You don't have to have VIP to go in there. And if you have VIP, rocket shoot time, I'm in. The rocket place. Oh, I just opened a lovely place that people can have dates at. Oh my gosh. Oh, is any lovely person going to come in? Oh, that should be my love house. Ooh, I should spy on people. People that have crush usernames. I'm Cupid. Hi, my name is Cupid. Have you heard of me? I bet you have. Oh, there could be a boy version. Of course there is. It's all about the boy version. Because they have to have a girl, though. Because that would just be rude. Jade. Let's say Jade. Do you have a crush? Jade. Do you have a crush? Oh, I'm gonna embarrass her. Jade, do you have a crush? She has the awkward face. I think she does. No, she says no. Oh well. I'll say it. Oh well. Oh well. Let's fly. I think I'm too big right now. Oh, did he see that? Oh, did he see that right in time? Oh, that was awesome. What? No! Oh, no. Wait, let's do a oh, what is that called? A trick shot. Yeah, that's what it's called. So, watch this. Those of you that don't know what a trick shot is, it's this. Woo! Woo! Or something that's really cool. That like a trick shot could also be like jumping really high, then shooting love arrows. Okay, that some people do not do that. But since it's kind of a like Valentine's Day, I'm just shooting love arrows. Shoots love arrow at shoots love arrow. How dare you go out in public and boy clothes and seen what? Sorry for the for the freeze. I just had to do that really quick, and that's because I actually have to end that video. Sorry for a little video, but that's the only two secrets that I know. I actually know 4, but I think they removed it. So, that's it. That's all for today. And to end the video, let me say goodbye and boom, like I always do. And also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, forgot to say if you're new to my channel, do that please. And by the way, bye! Wait, that wasn't right. That didn't seem right at all. I need this in my hand to do that. Donut. Okay, first of all, if I do this, can I still jump like a cupid would do? Yes. Oh, that was an epic fail. So let me just end my video here. Leave a like if you haven't already, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll just leave the video. Bye, and